New shower valve. We're going to get rid of the galvanized behind the wall there, as well as the kitchen. Put in this Moen. And I think what we're gonna do is just use Uponor adapters on these and run a new valve. Okay, we got that in. The issue I was having was this old masonry, whatever. I had to bust this all out because this was sticking so far out I wouldn't be able to get the tub spout in there. But what we're gonna do down here is use some Uponor threaded adapters. And then should be out of here in about an hour. Got the shower valve done. Also going to do these. The owner actually just stopped by. And we're not going to do these right now because he thought that there's copper right here. So what he wants to do is open up all this drywall, all of this, and tee off the Uponor right here and run hot and cold to the lap on the other side. Valves in. I tried for 20 minutes to try to get that. I'm gonna have to have someone help me. Clean this all up. Clean this all up. And now I'm just gonna drill some holes. I'm gonna run it on the outside. I think it's the best. And then maybe just keep them right here. Excellent. That was quick. Had to go over the conduit here. Bang that out real quick. Oh yeah. Now I'll just solder these. That's it, dude. I was in the zone today. I even did the toilet. So we capped off the old galvy because they're still feeding the unit downstairs. capped it. One thing I gotta do is just put a little solder on those. Dang, I really was in the zone today. No, I wasn't thinking much. I was just boom, 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 on to the next. No breaks. The only thing I couldn't get is we got another job over here, so I'll handle the shower arm later. But that turned out nice, dude.